Now let's move to water-soluble vitamins. B-complex vitamins play vital roles in metabolism, nerve function, and red blood cell formation. Deficiency of B1 causes beriberi, B2 causes cracked lips, and B3 deficiency leads to pellagra. Other key vitamins: B7, biotin for hair, nails, and fatty acid synthesis. B9, folate prevents birth defects. B12, makes red blood cells. Vitamin C helps healing and immunity. Its deficiency causes scurvy. Minerals are vital too. Calcium builds bones and teeth. Iron makes hemoglobin. Sodium regulates fluid balance and nerves.
Ma'am, may I ask a question?
Yes, go ahead.
Can too much sodium cause health problems?
Very good point. Yes, too much sodium can lead to high blood pressure, which is dangerous in the long run. Now let's look at trace minerals. Iodine prevents goiter. Zinc supports healing. Copper aids red blood cell production. Selenium important for thyroid and immunity. Fluoride protects teeth from decay. Water. Water forms about 60 to 70% of our body. It helps in temperature regulation, digestion, transportation, and removal of waste. Even 2% loss of water can affect performance and focus. Our body converts food into energy through cellular respiration. One glucose molecule and oxygen give 38 ATP, that's your body's fuel. Stages of respiration. There are 3 stages: glycolysis, without oxygen. Krebs cycle produces NADH, FADH2. Electron transport chain produces the most ATP in mitochondria. Calories per gram: 4 carbs, 4 proteins, 9 fats, 7 alcohol. Non-nutritive. Basal metabolic rate is the energy needed at rest. Factors: age, sex, muscle mass, hormones, and climate. A fit soldier has a higher BMR than a sedentary person. Before training, eat light carbs and protein. During long exercise, drink water every 15 to 20 minutes. Sports drinks help when sweating heavily. After exercise, eat carbs to restore glycogen. Take 20-40 grams protein to build muscle. Drink 1.5 times the water lost to rehydrate. We preserve food by killing or stopping microbes, heat, pasteurization, canning. Cold, refrigeration, freezing. Drying, vinegar, salt, sugar, safe chemicals. Food adulteration includes mixing harmful things like water in milk or colors in spices. FSSAI ensures food safety by setting standards and regulations in India. A soldier's ration is special, high in calories, 3,000 to 5,000 kilocalories. Light and easy to carry. Long shelf life. Includes items like chapati, suji halwa, instant meals. High altitude nutrition. At high altitudes, oxygen is low and dehydration is common. We need high carbohydrate intake. 3 to 5 liters of water daily. Iron-rich food to support oxygen transport.
Ma'am, may I ask a question?
Yes, go ahead.
Why are carbs preferred at high altitudes?
Excellent question. Carbohydrates need less oxygen to digest, making them ideal in low-oxygen environments. And that brings us to the end of our topic. Always remember, a fit and alert soldier starts with the right food. Food is fuel. Train your body, but feed it right. Jai Hind.